Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with, I usually call this what makes this trade great, but I'm going to actually go a little bit in a different direction today. And I'm going to call this what makes this scan great, okay? If you're in the room, you've heard me talking about this scan for a while now. Abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily breakout. I call it Pepe because Pepe actually in our trading room put this together. I had these individual scans, okay, and basically we combined this, or he combined this into the one scan, and I want to show you some of the alerts that I got with this today, but it's not just today. I've been monitoring it now for the last couple of weeks, and I'm telling you, this is all I would probably do. I'm so excited about seeing this scan every morning now. Now, it doesn't mean that you take the trade immediately. You got to watch to see how it's trading a little bit, but I just want to run you through a few of these. Look at the CIEN, okay? The alert happened at 9:50, and now you're seeing a down arrow because our AI decided to short this one, but obviously not the way to go. But at $47, so there it is. There is $47. Before it pulled back at all, it got up to 48.38. Here's ALT. The alert happened at 10:01. Just taking it. There we go. It takes a little while. While I'm doing a video, and it takes a while. So there was the alert at 8:29. Okay, now you might say, well, why not earlier? Well, because some of the filter values weren't met. But look what happened. Even from 8:29, it got all the way up to 8:63. Not bad. Actually, I have another scan that actually showed this earlier, but I digress. 28.37 for the VRNT at 10:30. Before it pulled back at all, it got up to 29.71. I mean, these are great moves. The GTHX, we got the alert at 280 at 10:45. You know, before it pulled back at all, it got up to 320, pulled back, and then actually popped way up here to 337. SLDB, we got the alert at 12:16. This was when I was on my break at 488, and before it pulled back, look, these are fairly fast trades, but before it pulled back at all, got up to 573 from 488. These were short opportunities, okay? I didn't really look at the short opportunities today because the market was so high. But, I mean, I'm loving this scan, guys, and going forward, I can't wait for the day to open and just check to see what sort of alerts I'm going to get from this scan. So if you want to find out more about scans like that and others that I have, just come into the trading room. So have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you Monday morning.